Okay guys, this is what I did on Monday with my mom. I repainted these white chairs and we planted all this. Looks beautiful if I do say so myself. Sometimes being creative is just using different mediums. Okay, today guys, this is my canvas, this table and these two chairs, and I'm just spray painting it like this. We're just gonna make it nice and clean again. And yeah, that's it. It is super windy out here, which probably isn't the best. But remember, being creative takes all forms. And you can do paper, you can do paint on canvas, you can do paint on metal. You can just use cushions. It doesn't have to be paint at all. The front, I painted the chairs, but my mom did flowers and we did cushions. So, yeah. So there's the table done. We're going to let it sit, and we're going to go over here to these chairs. They look way worse because they have been out front themselves before. And this isn't going for perfect. This is just a budget refresh that my mom wanted to do, and I was happy to help her. That's one of the great things I love about living close to my mom now, is I get to spend time with her and do fun stuff and get her up moving. Should kill me. But seriously, if your mom is still with you, spend time with her. If you have a good relationship. Okay guys, I gotta put the phone down because my finger is getting tired. And here's the finished project. So being creative doesn't mean you always have to use paper. You can use wood, metal, paint, whatever you have. Next, we're going to be planting flowers, so stay tuned. And don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe.